The great I am, the Lord Jesus Christ, told me to speak to you. Psalm 21, verse 11. Even their descendants you will wipe out from the earth, their offspring from the human race. First Peter chapter 2, verse 1. Rid yourselves of all malice and all deceit, insincerity, envy, and all slander. Psalm 28, verse 3. Do not drag me off with the wicked, with those who do wrong, who speak peace to their neighbors, though evil is in their hearts. Proverbs chapter 26, verse 24. With his lips an enemy pretends, but in his inmost being he maintains deceit. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 31. All bitterness, fury, anger, shouting, and reviling must be removed from you, along with all malice. Psalm 139, verse 20. Deceitfully they invoke your name. Your foes swear faithless oaths. Proverbs chapter 21, verse 27. The sacrifice of the wicked is an abomination, the more so when they offer it with a bad intention. The word of the Lord, thanks be to God.